Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 22nd of December 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Bank Nifty and Nifty December future. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, cool. Now let us start with the Nifty December future first. Okay. Previous close over here is 18,275. Open is at 18,327. High is at 18,356. Low is at 18,112. Okay. Now coming back to the charts, we are seeing the market on the opening. Okay, as I told you that yesterday that the market was a downtrend, and that's what has happened today. The market opened around this point. After here the market went up till 18,356. From there it could not sustain well. After not being able to sustain well, the market started to fall down back up till 18,111, and that has took approximately 3 hours. By approximately 1 o'clock the market was already down. After like 1 o'clock the market took a strong support at its day low and then moved back to 18,235. From there the Nifty managed to close at 18,159. Okay, cool. Now let us move to the Nifty Bank Nifty December future. The previous close in Bank Nifty is 49,765. Open is at 49,929. High is at 43,084. Low is at 43,330. All right, now let us move to the 3 minutes chart and then see how the market has been moving. So the market closed in the green candle of Bank Nifty December future, opened up over here at 42,892 and this level. From there the market went up till 42,980. From there the market again went down at 42,540 while take a little bit support. From there the market continued till 1 o'clock to fall down at the day's support which was at 42,331. From there the market started to go sideways up again, and from there after like 1 o'clock the market started after taking the strongest support, the market went up till 42,738. all right, and then the market Bank Nifty closed at 42,422. I'll just show you quickly how the trend line has been gone. Okay, so this is the first trend line, touching the support, touching the resistance, making a new low, touching the resistance, making a new low, broke the resistance and then making a high, and then again going down. So this is how the market has been moved for the day. All right, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until here in this video. I'll see you on tomorrow's video in the post market reports. All right, thank you.